Hey, in this video I'll show you how to install Apache Derby and use it with Eclipse. First you need to open the Apache website. On the downloads page you'll find these two plugins, the Core plugin and the UI plugin. Download both of them. See, I've downloaded these two plugins, and when you unzip them, you'll find this folder under Core and these two folders under the UI doc plugin. So basically extract these three folders and copy them under the Eclipse. See the Eclipse root where you have installed Eclipse, and in that folder under plugins folder you just need to copy all these three folders: the Derby core, the Derby plugin doc, and the derby.ui. That's all. With this, the Derby is installed with the Eclipse. Now open Eclipse. See, everything is empty. I'll just start with a brand new project. Go to File, New Java project. Give it a name, Apache Derby test. That's it. Click Finish. Here's our project, and now I'll show you. See here, there's src and there's JRE system library. Now when I right click on it, there's this menu, and at the bottom there's Apache Derby. Add Apache Derby nature. Click on it and see the Derby libraries are added to our project. Now click on source and add new class. Give it a name, any like test class, whatever, test, and add public static void main. Finish. That's it. But before this, let me show you how to work with like command based sort of way of working with Derby. So for that, again click here and go to Apache Derby. See, now this is the menu that should come. Run IJ interactive SQL. So now the console has this now I can like run my SQL commands here. So first I need to connect, and also I have not created any database, so I'll also create a database. So you should write this: connect JDBC Derby my DB test. That's it. And like this time it's not created, so I'll also create. So just do this: create is equal to true. Later on you don't need to write this create is equal to true, and terminate your command with semicolon. It will take a few seconds, and now it's created. So now I can create a table, test table, and I'll just add two attributes: ID, int, primary key, I'm making it primary key, and name varchar 20. That's it. A small table for this tutorial, and I'll just insert few data in this table so that we can do select inside our program. Insert into test table. These are just some random values. Oops. You know who is Tom Cruise. And one more. Here I mean Nelly Furtado. Okay, that's it. I think that should do. See, 3 rows inserted, and now we can just exit from this using exit. Don't forget to add semicolon after commands. Now I've exited. Now I'll just write a simple code to extract these data I've inserted using like command. So in actual sense, when you'll be working, you won't be like doing this command based SQL. Your program will do. I just did this so that you should know how to do it, but and I won't write the whole program here because it's somewhat lengthy, but really simple. I'll just copy and I'll just paste here, and I'll just lots of errors here. I'll show you how to use the hotkey Control Shift O. So now basically I need to import some classes. That's the error I'm getting. So use this java.sql.resultSet next, and from here java.sql.prepare statement, okay, next, and java.sql.connection. That's it, finish. So I've like imported all these classes, and see the errors are gone, and I'll just here I've done just some like exception handling. I'll post the code on my blog, you can get that from here. I'll show you the core code, like which matters, like the connection. I'll just like JDBC Derby localhost 1527, and from this I remember I forgot one very important thing before you need to run the code. You need to click here, go to Apache Derby, and you need to click Start Derby Network Server. See, it's starting on port 1527, and you can see here on port 1527 we are connected on this. Here you need to give the name of the DB, which is my DB guest. Okay, and here I'll write my query, a very simple one. You can write your complex queries from the test table. That's it. And see, this will actually execute the query, and so after execution PW has the result. So I'll just run a loop PW dot next as long as it has got result, and simply system out dot println. Okay, so remember we had ID and name, so I need to get an integer and a string. So I'll get it like this: pw dot get int, and now I need to enter here column index, and remember it was the first. It doesn't start with 0, you need to remember that. Enter 1 and plus, this is just for formatting when the result comes out, and pw dot get string, and it was second. That's it. And I think that's pretty much to it. Here I've just closed it, all these connections, etc. And let's see if I've done it correctly. press Ctrl F11, and hey, here's our result that I inserted. Is the ID and the name, all of them. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.